Hello and welcome to this introduction video. My name's Beckham and the subject is Layers, Photoshop's gateway to creative photography. In this set of videos we're going to concentrate on the subject of layers and the creative techniques that require them. Every image you will see in this introduction is a product of Photoshop's layers. So the question you may ask is, why this set of layers videos? Well, because you can search YouTube and find videos on almost any layers subject you want, but despite that, what we find doesn't always meet our needs. To understand Photoshop's layers, the videos need to be practical, relevant, and demonstrated in context. Photography is an art, and layers open up creative avenues that are otherwise closed to us. I've met thousands of photographers while demonstrating Photoshop over many years, and what many of them need is a mentor. Someone who can connect the techniques with practical photographic projects and creative ideas, and then steer that person in the right direction. Someone who can prioritize what layer subjects you need to learn first, and then what comes next, and so on after that. That's what I've done with this comprehensive set of videos. Just follow the numbers, you can't go wrong. So let me ask the question again, why this particular set of videos on layers? Because I've made a HD video on most, if not all of the layers topics I think you're going to need, and I've arranged them in a logical learning order, the easiest first. You could think of this set of videos as your own library of tools, techniques and creative ideas, something you can save onto your hard drive and dip into it whenever you need it. This layers set is made up of over 20 videos running in total for around 6 hours. Now I tell you this not to frighten you away from learning layers, but to make you aware of the scope of the videos I've recorded. Come along to our website and you'll find our layers set of videos under the heading of Photoshop. Now while you're there, why not take a look at Photoshop for photographers? This is a complete image editing course and another library of ideas, tools and techniques. Almost 60 videos, and the first 14 are completely free. What is it that photographers are looking for? Well, I think it's to create something different and to be able to stand out from the crowd. For that, you need Photoshop, and you definitely need Photoshop's layers. If you have any questions or queries as a result of this video on layers or any other, come along to my website and drop me a mail. I promise I always answer.